to my unique people. Hello to my unique base. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a super whitening body lotion. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Please also click the like button and also comment on the down below. Today we'll be making the super whitening lotion. Let's quickly go over it. I'll be using pure Egyptian magic whitening lotion. I'll be using Vienna Magic White Plus body lotion. This body lotion is a UV protection triple function: whitening, anti-aging, hydrating with argan, grapeseed and rice bran oil. I'll be using my AHA super white powder, kojic acid powder. I'll be using my glutathione comprime super forte, Gluta-C. I'll be using collagen extra white, my luxury white oil, and my carrot oil. I'll also be using my Beauty Series Skin Perfecting Serum. I'll be adding my crude cannac oil. Crude cannac oil is very good. This is used for green veins, varicose veins, any thin veins. This is very good. I'll also be combining it with my Shenique Perfect Legs. The kind of Shenique Perfect Legs I'll be using today is the watery one. Because I have mostly oil in my lotion, so I decided to use the watery type. I'll be using my vitamin E, lemon extract. I'll also be adding my collagen fluid concentrate and also my Vita White fluid concentrate. So these are all the ingredients which we'll be using, and this is my jar to put the content in, and I already sanitized my workplace with my utensils, and I have everything ready. So let's go there. Measure out our powders, and I'll be measuring 1 teaspoon of kojic acid powder, 1 teaspoon of kojic acid powder. Okay, the next thing is to measure out the super white powder. I'll also be measuring 1 teaspoon of my super white powder. Okay, so that's it. So I'll be putting this aside. So the next thing is for me to measure out my oils. I'll be measuring my Beauty Series oil. My Beauty Series oil, that will be 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of my Beauty Series oil. 1. Okay. 2 tablespoons of the Beauty Series oil. The next one is for me to measure my carrot oil, and I'll be using 1.5 cup of my carrot oil. Okay guys, cool. Okay, at this point I like to add my powders into my oil to dissolve them. Just add the powders to the oil and mix together. As you can see, it's really dissolving. Okay, so at this point the whole powder is already dissolved, so I'll just keep this aside and I'll go to the next phase. So the next thing is for me to measure out my lotion, half cup of my pure Egyptian whitening lotion. Okay guys, this is my half cup of my Egyptian whitening lotion. So the next thing is for me to measure out my Vienna Magic White Plus body lotion, and I'll be using 1/4 cup. The Vienna Magic lotion is very thick, but it's a lotion. Okay, I'll be adding this. Sweet. The next thing, okay, the next thing is for me to add my adhere, 1 teaspoon. Adhere is very good for the skin. It exfoliates your skin and it whitens your skin too. So the next thing is for me to add my glutathione super comprime forte, and I'll be using 1 tablespoon. Okay, that's a tablespoon of the glutathione super forte. So the next thing is for me to add a tablespoon of the collagen extra white. Why is it so hard to come out? Okay, thank you. Okay, cool. So the next one is for me to add the Gluta-C Intense Whitening, a tablespoon. Okay. So I'll be adding my luxury whitening oil. So I have to shake it. Okay. I'll add a tablespoon of this. This is a super whitening oil. It's super whitening. I'll be adding that. So at this point, I will mix together. Okay, the next thing is for me to add my crude coconut oil, and I'll be using a teaspoon of my crude coconut oil, because this is really potent. It works very well. I'll also add my Shanique Perfect Legs. I'll be using 1 teaspoon. Okay. I'll also add my lemon extract. The lemon extract is just half teaspoon of the lemon extract. And so at this point I mix together, and I'll add my whitening oil mixture. I'll add my whitening oil mixture, and at this point I'll add my vitamin E oil. Okay, like 4 or 5 drops. And I'll also add my Vita White fluid concentrate. I add 1 of this. I also add my collagen fluid concentrate. I also add 1 injection. Okay, guys, be careful when you're opening this. Okay. Cool. Okay, so I'll now mix together. At this point I'll need my wicks to mix the whole thing properly. So I'm trying to mix the whole thing together to make it smooth and for it to really mix properly. Okay. Now you can see that it's properly mixed. So the next thing is for me to, I've already sanitized my container, so I'll just put the content in the container. This is your lovely whitening, super whitening lotion. All you have to do is, after your bath, morning, use this morning and night, and also use a sunblock, okay, sunscreen, when you're getting into the sun. All right, this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Please comment down below and also click the like button. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I'm signing out.